replacement.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to Iron Brigade. We failed miserably. Not failed miserably, but we didn't do too well on that last mission.
We succeeded miserably.
Fucking bronze. Got some stuff, upgraded our stuff. Cody's his trench looks like it's about ready to dig through the side of a mountain.
Stun smash legs.
Stun smash legs, and I got faster sprint legs. Got some zoom shoes, new paint job. Cannot equip that machine gun, that was a little late. That's fucking crazy. 2 more levels before I can even think about equipping that thing.
We'll probably be on the last campaign before you do that.
We expect that upon arriving at the point, the tubes will try to take down our ship. You must clear the area so that we can safely deploy the cannon. Once the artillery is in place, defend the area until it's clear for us to send in our troops.
Alright, goody goody.
Looks like our arrival has stirred up some tubes. Clear the area, and we'll drop the cannon.
Doesn't it always?
They'll never know what hit them.
Never know what hit him.
I lied, you might want to send a mine down the middle here.
Yeah. I can't yet, though.
Breakers.
Oh!
Pigeon. Are they both going middle?
Yeah, I believe. Okay. Yep, they're going middle.
That's my range here.
Oh, I see what that does. It's the
Merv.
Yeah. You don't even need to hit him, you just need to hit over him.
Mm-hmm.
Can you punch it in the face with there? Thank you. See, I can't do a damn thing to it with machine guns. You need to break its shell.
Yeah, I know. It will kill him eventually. It just takes forever.
Oh, there we go. New mine layer means new,
Don't let those knobs get close to you or they'll blow.
Oh god. Trying to play... Wait, shoot the knobs. If there's one thing people should learn by watching this video, is that this shredder gun will help peel off some extra scrap from those tubes.
He says it a lot, huh?
He says it a lot. Like, every time I shoot. Like, new time that I reload,
Watch out for his grenades.
and then start firing, and it's just like, this shredder gun, I was just like, I fucking know. I swear to God. Oh, not quite enough. Need just a little bit more to upgrade that mine layer in the center. Again.
Boy, I'm glad they're funneling down the middle here.
Blitzer's charging you. Quick, take him out.
Blitzers from both sides.
Oh, you're making me mad now. That's good. Your troops are dead.
Ow.
Yeah, I bet that hurt.
Just came up and butt humped me.
How'd it feel?
Absolutely horrible.
There was an explosion, I imagine.
Have you ever had explodey surprise butt sex? It's not good. No one walks away from it quite happy. Always a disappointment.
Earmuffs.
That's the thing, though. It's surprise. You don't know it's coming. I'm actually pretty sure that I can't do anything to these things. I could be wrong, but...
You were crowding me.
you're definitely wrong. So it wasn't just my shotgun turret doing damage there.
Oh, a lot of Tommies.
I seen it.
A whole lot more Tommies. I'd say it looks like more Tommies down the middle.
Let's set up some defenses. What can I get you?
Got 106 scrap. 116 scrap.
I have 164.
That's right. I forgot that your trench legs make you look like a gorilla.
Yeah, kinda. About as big as one too.
Yeah, that looks like what we're trying to defend here. Or part of it. Is this a two-stager?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go to the next one.
That's all you Marines know. Can you even imagine creating something instead of tearing it apart?
Er,
Let me introduce you to my dear Bertha, so that she may serve as an
That's right.
Yeah.
behold the miracle of creation as she fills the battlefield with her children.
Weirdo.
Disgusting. Take down Bertha before she spawns too many knobs.
The thing, though, there's so many.
They're at our base.
Are you even like shooting this thing?
Yeah, I am! What does it look like I'm doing?
I couldn't even see you from behind it.
Yeah, I'm shooting it.
Jeez.
Shredder gun should help peel off some extra scrap from those tubes.
Alright.
Oh, that's
Oh.
right. Big cannon of doom.
Now that's a long cannon.
Really?
I feel inadequate. Your little guns are good too.
Sounds like something you would say.
Get over there and secure
Yep.
the area.
Definitely. Though I am jealous.
Need anything?
Now that we're here, I'm setting up a repair.
Alright, while you do that, I'm gonna set up something useful.
Hey.
I'm not a Jew, pal. Quit shooting me.
Oh crap, there they are.
Judge, your tubes are dead. I wonder if these things feel pain.
Oh my lord.
God,
It's
this
really
hurts.
It's really hard to come up with actual commentary for this game when you're struggling so hard to focus on it.
Yeah, there's not really much to say here. Oh wow, I got all 4 of those. That was excellent. commentary on my excellent gaming here.
Cody takes the shot, and he shoots, he scores.
It began like it was going to be a putting reference, and then all of a sudden it switched to basketball.
Yep.
It was odd.
You're odd. You and your gorilla legs and arms, but you have a cannon on your back.
Is that the best you got, Tubes?
I'm a gorillapotamus, and I got a cannon on my back.
Gorillapotamus.
It's that old Flash song. I'm a hippopotamus, and I got noodles on my back.
I thought you were. I was gonna say, like, it sounds almost as if you were gonna take it into a Strange Creatures reference.
What's the Strange Creatures reference?
There's a game called Strange Creatures, and it's an RTS game. But yeah, and what the point of the game is, it's not really a point to the game per se, but what it is like you play as a mad scientist, more or less, and you fight against, obviously, at least like in the skirmishes or whatever, it's an opponent, also a mad scientist, but you make these creatures it's a combination of different animals. So like one of the things you can make is, it's like I'm trying to think of some of them, like there's one called like a wolf fly, which is like part wolf, part ant. I don't know why they called it a wolf fly, if it's gonna be part ant, personally, but you know, poor decision on their part, not by mine. And then there's like one where there's like,
there's something synonymous with ants and lions, because in Half-Life there's the ant lion, which is just a giant ant.
well, see, that's the thing though, like, it's a wolf and a fly, but it's not a fly, it's an ant. So it's a really, really poor decision in terms of how you're gonna name a thing with fly in its name, but it has nothing to do with flies. But like, and then there's another one where it's like a tiger and a praying mantis, so it's got like the entirety of a body of a tiger, and it's got like the head and like the pincers of a praying mantis. It's just literally a bunch of strange creatures. Best way to put it.
And you just
And it's an
battle
RTS.
with them?
Yeah.
Huh. Is there a story?
I don't know. I never played the game.
Oh.
It's an older game, but it's definitely a weirder one.
Sounds like it.
What do we got coming out of the middle? Breakers out of the right, breakers
You
out
might
of the
wanna-
left.
I know you have some extra money. You should
Not really.
probably spend some more on mines down the middle, because I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a Bertha coming.
Well, when I have more than 14, I will.
I have 215. Boy, I really wish I could give you some.
Yeah, me too. I want to like check key bindings and see if there's a way that you can drop scrap.
I highly doubt it.
I could have swore there was a way at one point in time. Knobs!
That's right, they're slowed.
Nope.
Well, if you can place it, I can fully upgrade it.
I cannot place one yet.
Well, aren't you just useless?
Quite useful, actually.
Find
The reason
more
why we even
shotguns.
to say I could place one if we might
Find
be
a way of... Yeah, I'm just gonna spend all my scrap.
on shotties to the bodies.
Two Berthas. Boy, oh boy.
Don't worry, we got a lot more emplacements to fight the Berthas now. We got blitzers coming from the middle, and another Bertha from the right.
It's alright, my shotguns are gonna take care of it now. Good God, another Bertha.
I said it. Oh, fourth one. Then I say, yeah, I told you the third one spawning on the right. Good thing I fully upgraded those machine gun turrets and upgraded your oh, it's gone now, but your shotgun turret that was over there.
Yeah. It's alright, it's the end of the level. We don't need to keep everything. Toss it all overboard. Wow. 4 loot boxes. That's good. That's good.
That's just from the Berthas, though, from this wave.
I know.
Not counting what the 1 or 2 that we had earlier.
Fire up that cannon.
I don't remember.
Yeah, just chug that entire bottle of fucking alcohol. That's
Your guy
still.
doesn't look that Polish, to be honest. If I
Hey,
racist.
hey, hey. You know what? You know what? I've never seen a Polish person. So,
I bet you have.
like, a person straight out of Poland.
Yeah, maybe not that.
Gungrir!
You son of a bitch, you got it. Yes, and I didn't.
Incredible collection from Selkirk MK2 defensive tripod leads indirect sniper cannon.
I'm always bad at getting the fucking...
Hey, and I got the flower.
that's
chip.
old hat.
Yeah, you don't. The thing is, though, is that I've never had one. Hey, and a sergeant cap. Oh, I still feel it in my chest, man. Where that fucking just. Oh wait, Selker MK3. I'd be losing all of my. I'd be gaining an extra heavy, but I'd be losing. I'd be gaining an extra heavy and an extra standard, but I'd be losing both of my utilities. But to be fair, do we honestly use the utilities a whole lot?
I used the repair one.
Well, the repair one, yeah, but I mean, like, other than that last mission, have I ever really used any of the utilities?
Well, the collection prong.
I didn't even use the mission before the last one, that's the thing.
Oh.
So,
Well, shit, dog, I don't know then.
gun gear, fucking 3 slots, but damn.
God, I know, I love it.
3, isn't that one of the best snipers in the game?
Well, I mean, it's an offshoot. I use it against all the bosses, because it's just one big-ass round. It's a one-shot, and it has to reload. But
Yeah,
it's a
but
big round.
It is 300 damage.
Yeah.
That's fucking baller. Cluster from the flower artillery.
It's got an artillery cannon reload, so it definitely has its downsides.
Yeah. I think you and I last time we did this shit, it was pretty crazy. Alright, so I've got an advanced shotgun turret, standard machine gun turret, and then I'm gonna get the got the cluster mine layer, and I'm tempted to just take the sniper turret for now, just to give it a shot, because I forgot what it's all about.
Oh, I suppose you're gearing up for the boss battle, aren't you?
Is this a boss battle?
I think so.
You should look at that.
Yes, it is.
Alright, yeah, let me...
No, it's not. This is that other really difficult mission. Shit.
Oh, yeah, where we're in the middle of a goddamn crater.
Yeah. This one's tough.
Fuck.
This one's hard.
Fuck. Fuck. Oh yeah, I was gonna check key bindings. Yeah, unfortunately no, which is really dumb. That was another thing this game really could have used. Oh well, it's worth a shot looking. Alright, I'm good to go. You and your gorilla legs.
gorilla legs.
We've located a sinkhole near the end of the cable. The plan is to dig at this spot and deploy a massive pump. It's time to get offensive. It's time to get offensive. Thanks.
Did you pick the right one already?
It's time to get offensive.
Sorry, I forgot how to actually select the mission.
Good lord.
The plan is to dig at this spot.
It's been a while.
Deploy a massive
Considering you were the one picking all the weapons, other things before.
Should have just let me pick.
It's not going to be easy.
Nah.
All that digging is likely to stir up some trouble. And to make
None of these missions would be missions if they didn't stir up trouble.
You'll be getting it from all sides.
These guys have been mopping this one spot on the deck every single time we come back to the ship.
It's gotta be
Launch
clean.
sequence has been initiated.
It's one thing you learn in the
Really
military.
know where to
Discipline,
hide
discipline,
this
discipline.
Protect that bomb.
But like
If it detonates before it's underground,
He
all
probably eats off of that, to be honest.
what, the guy in the fucking iron lung or the guy that's been mopping it? Because I'm pretty sure his mop water should have been changed like
Blitzer's charging you.
30 years ago. Oh, just right away with the blitzers, why don't we?
That's done. Your tubes are dead.
Just walk up here and
More coming.
collect all this here stoof. And then sprint back down.
I'm just gonna be throwing shotguns around everywhere. I think that's my plan.
Not a bad idea.
There's a burst transmitter. Watch out for his grenades.
A little late to announce that. Hey, there's a burst transmitter. Really? 'Cause I'm
Dead.
pretty sure we just killed it.
Yeah.
God damn.
Placement confirmed.
Alright, it is my goal right now then to place a mine layer at each choke point. Is that a ricocheting
Yeah, it is.
sniper?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. I could hear the ricochet.
It also does way more damage than the last one I had, so.
Order complete.
Here comes ugly.
Careful. Tubes on a sniper on the field. The snipe tuner.
I remembered the snipe tuners.
So did I.
Oh hi, what's you doing?
Damn it, buddy. You were supposed to be watching that.
He literally was just standing there looking at it like, what am I supposed to do now? I didn't
No,
expect
if
to
that's
make
the
it this
case, it
far.
wouldn't be damaged.
I was damaged because of the fucking first couple ones.
That's the only guy that's gotten close. No, no, that's. I think Tommy's took a couple shots. What are you going for? Bursts?
Miniature worm monsters.
Looks like there are more coming.
Of course there's more coming. Is this a wave or is this just fucking...
Watch out for big Bertha.
No, that was just worms.
Great.
It's not the wave.
So there's knobs from every direction except the wave where for the part where Big Bertha is.
Yeah, I know.
Ironically enough,
There's not
she
that much.
spawns more.
Roger.
Oh, blitzers. Whoop, 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 whoop. How's that repair cannon crane?
It's dead.
Oh, ironic.
Oh, you need a repair, you say?
Ironic that I'm sitting next to the repair crane and it can't repair me.
It's not there.
It's right there. I'm looking at it.
Wonder if the war's over.
Now it's gone.
Oopsie, that's not what I wanted.
Yeah, you and your ugly gorilla legs. Yeah, place.
Just what I wanted.
Well, it's already not looking so good.
Nonsense. We're just totally still got a gold right now.
We're only halfway through.
Shut up.
This shredder gun should help peel off some extra scrap from those tubes.
Who the fuck dropped that loot box?
Sometimes regular enemies will just drop them.
Odd.
There's a special condition for it, but they definitely just drop them sometimes. Right, so I'm gonna drop another repair thing. Hopefully it doesn't die this time.
Make no guarantees.
Well, repair it while it's hot.
Gonna do so. I'll let you handle the wave so far. I'm keeping an eye out, don't worry. Just the burst transmitters for now.
Go.
More burst transmitters. To the right. And worms. More worms. I fail to see the effectiveness of the buzzsaws spinning on the actual worm itself.
Damn it. There goes the repair crane again.
Don't feel bad, my sniper gun's down too.
You took snipers for this one?
Yeah,
Could use some sniping action down
figure
here.
you always take the shotgun. I actually have a shotgun, so.
Man, I hate these
Yeah.
guys.
Good point.
Got mine layers and.
Snipe tune? I'll take
Nice,
snipe
yeah.
tune. Oh, you're gonna take it.
Yeah, I'm actually like up in their jubblies right now. How's it going? Not too bad, not too bad. Geronimo!
They're gone for now.
How badly you need a repair?
I do not need it at all.
Okay, good. It's time I set up some more shotguns.
Hello, Tommy. What's that you got there? A little gun?
That's the only ledge the snipe tuners come from.
I will say yes.
No.
Oh.
There's two ledges.
Looks like there are more coming.
Gems I found today.
Here comes Big Willie. These guys are tough.
Pretty standard. Original. Nice.
Now has all the original.
Just to know. You wanna take your parrot?
No, he's good.
No, he's not.
Fine.
No, he's not. Can't.
He's just warming your neck for battle.
Don't need my
Everybody
net.
knows
Oh
those
my!
sandbags aren't gonna do anything.
Hey man, those sandbags are purely aesthetic.
Fine.
They make sure that the machine is meeting its weight requirement.
Fine.
Now he just doesn't even care about you anymore.
Give me some of that scrap.
I can't believe we're doing this good so far on this level.
Oh, fuck you. You ain't
No
getting
love.
shit now.
No love. Kitty cat says fuck you. That's all kitty cats normally do.
Hey,
Oh.
asked for a sniper turret like an hour ago. Where
Nice.
Worms.
So I talked to my computer, and Jess, it wouldn't be a bad investment to buy a box of porridge.
Alright.
I told him I want. Well,
Hello, zombie.
No, they're already expensive.
yeah, he's like, they're already expensive.
Could use some sniping action down here, Commander.
They're stable where they're at.
So I'm like,
Poor son of a bitch. That 50 cents is gonna make or break your bank.
and so, like, buy a box of condoms.
I wonder if these things feel pain.
Bears and shit. But,
Lands.
yeah, he goes, they have fetch land.
The one thing everybody just doesn't want to remember about Concentric here. Oh, so close to being able to upgrade this.
Is that the best you got, Tubes?
Cody, go get me some scrap.
There is none. Hey, look, some scrap.
Okay,
That's your own cat's problem, not mine.
Mad now.
Liliana Beth.
You don't own a cat.
Okay, time to go upgrade that mine layer.
Just a bit longer.
Oh, this is the final wave.
This is the final wave. Oh, Berthas, I hate you. Ah.
Bertha on
Definitely.
the other side.
Great, I'll be there as soon as I take care of these knobs.
Going. Can't be, I mean,
He loves me more than you, apparently. On my way for the Bertha. And she's dead. Oh, that's a lot of knobs, though. Oh! That placement's gone.
Bertha back on the other side.
so,
Jesus.
I just told him, like, how the hell?
This shredder gun should help peel off some extra scrap from those tubes.
So your chances of pulling a fetch.
He goes, plus they reprinted the fetch. He goes, honestly, yeah.
Dude, that mine layer. That fully. Oh god. No, 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 no.
And there goes that. Oh,
Spiky bolt.
that was it. Good.
So,
Wow.
honestly,
We actually-
Gold on this.
reprinted the fetch lands in that set again.
Kitty.
That, Bugin.
Out the way.
That was
Brutal. Strictly curious, Cody. Can you hear Craig?
Yeah.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure. Yeah. Kitty.
I can't.
Fuck
think
you,
I'm
Cody.
Saying. Oh, I made that out. Fuck you.
Said fuck you too.
glad to see we both love each other.
Hey, the pigeon.
All right, fine. I do love.
Oh, you a pigeon.
And the slugger. And the honey church. And K2. And the prototype coil cannon. And the experimental device. And the trench boom shotgun. And the standard sniper turret. And the Carlson MK2.
Pull some more shit out of there, why don't you?
I was not expecting that much shit to be there. Yeah. I have 0 grenade launcher, 0 artillery, 0. I got lots of loot crates. Yeah.
Deadly rain.
I'm not even thinking. Not a clue.
Have like 5 months to come up with it.
5 months?
Yeah, May.
I suppose. Oh, no.
End of April.
No. It's a 13 month.
Oh,
the end of May.
Okay, so it's
Yeah.
until the end.
So we have 6 months. 6 months is
I forgot that he did that.
Yep. Alright. That being said, I believe we're sitting at like 36-ish. So, yeah. I think we'll... Is this the boss? Is this the boss? Yeah,
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, it's the boss. Good thing I got a Carlson MK2 to take into battle. And take the gun gear too and all that stuff. Anyways, thank you all for watching. And we will see you next time.
See ya.